So let's talk about what underpins the fourth industrial revolution, because that's important, right? The fourth industrial revolution, there's a number of technologies and emerging technologies that have come together to enable industry and business across different verticals to deliver a much higher level of efficiency and reach to market. These technologies that I'm talking about, some of them include big data analytics, robotics, cloud computing, Internet of Things, edge processing. These are just some of the technologies. What's common in these things, if you think about it, is they all require data and massive amounts of data to function. That's the first thing. I mean, machine learning and algorithms are refined on data input. So just think about the Internet of Things, 20 billion type of connected devices, the amount of traffic that generates, right? That data needs to get to platform or platforms where either it's analyzed, analytic happens, it moves through a workflow engine, it gets executed through a number of other platforms that kind of serve as devices, right? How is this data going to be carried? How is it going to be moved? It's just not just about the volume, it's about the speed at which it needs to move. So now if I put the fourth industrial revolution and data in context of it, that is why, if you look at DFA in where we fit at the infrastructure layer, we provide the fiber connectivity between the customer and the cloud, or what I would call the point of consumption and the edge, as well as between data centers. So the core-to-core connectivity, moving the data in large volumes at high speeds. And that's where DFA as a company fits into this fourth industrial revolution. We connect the platforms and the things across which data must flow for the 4 hours to come to life. Over and above that, right, we saw fiber as the one space of it. But from a DFA perspective, the Internet of Things, the ability to connect sensors and these devices out there to generate the data, and to bring it back to the network was important as well. So, you can't connect water meters, as an example, with fiber. It's just impossible, right? And that's where we also brought in the IoT network. So DFA is the license operator of the Sigfox network, the global IoT network. So we are the license operator on the SquidNet. So SquidNet is a fully owned DFA company. So we said, yeah, we've got fiber from a connectivity perspective, and in context of the IoT networks that needs to be in place, we've also have the Sigfox network here, which is over 95% population coverage. We're densifying that network. So once again, open access, wholesale connectivity to enable these digital things to